Class 5 Science, and we have seen the two states of matter, solid and liquid. Today we have to discuss the properties of gas. Firstly I am going to start with the reading. Listen to me carefully. Matter is gas if it has no definite shape. This means that it changes its shape when you put it in another container. Take the example of air, which is a gas. If you fill air inside a balloon, it takes the shape of the balloon. If you pump air into a shopping bag or a beach ball, it will take the shape of these objects. So gas has no definite shape. It changes its shape according to its given spaces or shape. The second is gas has no definite volume. So this means that it spreads throughout the space provided for it. For example, if you blow air into a balloon, it will spread throughout the space. So it's occupy the entire given provided space. So gas has its own definite volume. It changes its volume according to the providing space. Air in the balloon and bubbles in boiling water are some examples of the gaseous states of matter. So in your book there are some examples are given for the gaseous state, and the properties of gas is totally different from the liquid and solid states. So proceed to the next, but before starting the next topic, I want to recall some important point that all matter is made of teeny particles that are too small to be seen. So that means these important keys are about of teeny particles that are too small to be seen. So that means these important keys are about particles. So particles are too small, we can't see them. The particles are always moving and there are spaces between them. They are held together by forces. When particles are heated, they move faster. When cooled, they slow down. So these are the properties of particles. The first property is that particles are always in moving and there are spaces between two particles. Particles are very small, we can't see them, and particles increase their speed. They move faster when they heated, and when they are heated, and they come slow down when they are cooled. So these were the properties of particles. Now come to the comparing states of matter. How are solids, liquids and gases different from each other? So why do solids have a definite shape but not liquids and gases? It is because of the arrangement of particles in the different states of matter. You cannot see these particles with an ordinary microscope because they are very small. They are even smaller than living cells. So the arrangements of particles is the basic cause for the differences between in three states of matter. So in the next class we are going to discuss about the causes and the arrangements of particles. But I hope you understood till here. We have discussed about the gaseous state and the particles, the properties of particles, and due to the arrangement of particles there are changes in the three states. Thank you.